Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch Full HD LED TV. In this TV the complaint standby mode. The reason is main IC damage due to lightning. So here we are going to install the Universal Combo board. See, this is the board RU10.816A. This board comes with UNISOC processor. See friends, here we now finally successfully completed the installation. Here you can see now the TV is working properly. Now work is done. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.